Good morning everyone. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about a basic thing which is very much important for the biological life process and the coordinations in our body. Okay, so we are going to start a new chapter. So before starting, I would like to make you remind in the 10th class we would have studied about the chapter control and coordination. Right, in that we have studied how the coordination of the body is taking place with the help of the nervous system, how the nerve fibers are integrating all the organs of the body and is stimulating them for the various functionings. Okay, and hence our body is responding accordingly and the messages are also reaching with the help of this nerve fibers to each part of the body. But what happens, this nerve impulse, although it is reaching to the various parts of the body, that is okay, but this nerve fibers is for impulse is short lived. Okay, and we cannot say yes, although we have learned that it is reaching to the different parts of the body, but it is not able to reach every corner part of the body. It is not able to reach each and every corners of the cell. Okay, and because this nerve impulse is short lived, so hence that message has to reach anyhow to the various all the cells of the body. So this is done with the help of a special kind of secretions which is occurring in the body or is secreted in the glands of the body, that is termed as the hormones. So these hormones are also a special kind of chemical messages which is integrating the different or not we can say that this is reaching the messages to the cells where the message cannot be enforced by the nerve fibers. Okay, so this hormones is released in the blood and they are reaching to the targeted place and are reaching the chemical messages or the messages which has to be sent to that particular organs. And the various kinds of changes, student, you would have studied in the junior classes also, various types of changes in the body is due to the hormonal changes we are saying. Basically during the adulthood time when child grows means matures from a childhood to an adult form. So during that time various kind of changes occurs in the male as well as in the female. So that is due to the secretion of the various kinds of hormones. Even though different kind of emotions of the body is regulated by this hormones. So we can say that these hormones are playing a vital role in our daily life in coordinating the biological process of life. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to deal about the glands and as well as the hormones secreted by them. Okay, there are two types of gland already we have discussed in the previous chapter, exocrine and endocrine gland. Exocrine glands are those glands which have duct. Actually, we cannot say that they are secreting the true hormones, but some type of secretions, chemical secretions, just like wax is there. Okay, they are also secreting the consisting of enzymes. Alright, so they are also helpful in one or the other way, but we cannot see them as the real hormones. But endocrine glands are there. These are the glands which are ductless. They don't have duct for releasing their secretion. Exocrine glands do have duct for the release of their secretions, but this endocrine gland do not have the duct. So this chapter 22 of your NCRT, that is chemical coordination and integration, that we are going to start, and in this one we will deal completely about the endocrine glands. Okay, so we will see one by one. We will deal the different type of glands and the different type of hormones and its functions, how these hormones are responsible in regulating the various functions, biological processes in our daily life. Okay, so we will deal one by one about it. As per I told you students that in this chapter we are going to deal with the endocrine glands. So about that, first of all, endocrine glands, what is it? Are ductless glands, as per I have informed you right now that they don't have duct for releasing their secretion as per exocrine do have. Okay, So these are the ductless gland, and whatever the hormonal secretion is there, they are releasing directly into the blood, and that the hormone is reaching to the targeted place. Okay, next point deals that directly release their secretion into the blood to reach the targeted organ as per I told right now. Okay, they are directly releasing their secretions into the blood. Next point is that secretions are termed as hormones. Okay, the secretion are termed as hormones, as we are doing, that is a secretion, chemical secretions by the glands. Okay, next one we will study about the hormones. What is this? Hormones. Hormones, the first point are non-nutrient chemicals. We cannot say it is a nutritive element, or so hence it is termed as the non-nutrient chemical. Alright, what it does? Produced in trace amount. We cannot say it is produced in excessive amount. Trace amount means little amount. Okay, it is produced in little amount. Okay, functions as a intercellular messenger. It functions as a intercellular messenger. As I told you, various functions of the body, biological processes is regulated by it, and various emotions also is regulated by these hormones, as well as the changes occurring during the adulthood time is also controlled by these hormones. So we are saying that as a intercellular messages, because it reaches the messages to those cells where the messages is not integrated by this nerve fibers. Okay, so we are saying that as an intercellular messenger. And what this intercellular messengers do is responsible for regulating the biological activity in the body, as per we are discussing. Okay, so this is about the hormones and endocrine glands. Next topic we will see right now. The topic is